Hi, I am D.Radhasri, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce in Dr. SNS Radhasri College of Arts and Science. Marketing Management. Today we are going to see about in the channels of distribution. First, let me see about what is the channels of distribution. A channel of distribution also refers to as a distribution channels. It is the method of a company used to get a product or service into the hands of a customers as quickly and effectively as possible. Distribution channels can include the wholesalers, bricks and the materials of retailers and online marketplace, but they always include manufacturing and the customers. What are the different types of channels of distributions? They are the various types of channels of distribution. Comparison of the combination intermediaries. The specified network manufacturing wholesalers, retailers at the end of the customer dependence on the type of the distribution channels. There have been three types of the channels of distribution. Incentive distribution. These channels types target as a vast numbers of the outlets to serve as a much make to a possibles. Selective distribution. This channel selectively target outlet in a specific location. It also exclusive wholesalers and goes directly to the retailers. Exclusive distribution. These types of the customers limited outlet and skip both the wholesalers and retailers. They have the only channels that have the direct connection between the manufacturing and the end of the customers. The first two channels take considering indirect channels, while exclusive distribution is a direct channels which holds the manufacturing or serves providing to the deal directing to the customers. In that way, how do you the choosing of the right channels? Choosing of the right channels is a critical steps in ensuring the product in a market. According to the Urban Foundation market towards create a secure and high functioning channels of chain channels is of the most critical factors of any brand looking in the successful way. The key factors of the considering both they can be committed in the channels, type of the product service, does it require speeding or the controlling environment. Target marketing. You are the real of the sales of the business which can be helpful the business in the product manufacturings. And they way not only the subscriptions of the newsletters, it can be product plan is considering of the product development stages. In that limited guidance, product route mapping, product manager managements, product planning of the frameworks, product strategy, resource of the product manager, product locations. It can be helpful for their customers to ensuring their product in a new way channels of distributions. In the first channels to be considering the indirect channels of the influencing to enwriting the way of the goods. It can be handled in the few sentence of the product. It can be think in their product choosing in the right way. They are the choosing the right channels in the critical steps ensuring to success of a product in the market. According to the founder of the market tutor, creating a secure of the light functioning supply is one of the most critical factors for any brand looking to success, and this the selection the right distribution targets of the limitations. In the key factors of the considering there before using commitment of their channels. Here are the types which can be helpful for their gathering information in a proper way. In that the key factors of the considering before the commitment of the channels, type of the product or service, does they require the speed of the condition control commitments. In the target they are the selling their business and the hands of the customers or need to be supplying of the goods in the various categories. In the competition and the industry standards which can be methods to determine the competition in the value of a good method. It can be helpful for the customers to understanding the cost and benefits, alignment with the company missions and the visions. The investing method achieving the product such as a method of distribution should add value to the customers in the product way. Clarity which can be explained as the questions with the gathering. Do the competition watch the cooking of the product salespersons, which can be helpful for the product having a good way conditions. This is the basic condition that can be helpful for the product in the way of conducting their valuable responsibilities. It is the using of the categories. These are the channels of the distribution. Thank you.